Hey guys, what's going on? I am in the same makeup and the same shirt as I was in the last video because I'm filming this on the same day I filmed the last video. I have a normal 9 to 5 and my week gets really crazy busy, so I try to film all my videos on the weekend if possible. So I thought I would just keep it real with you guys and let you know I'm filming this on the same day with the same makeup and the same makeup shirt. So I hope that's cool with you guys. By the way, I did do this makeup tutorial-ish in my last video. So if you're interested in seeing that, I will link it up here, maybe down below. You never know. This is my makeup look that I go to when I'm traveling and I have like something to do where I want to be made up. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing that, check it out. But today, I ran to Ulta and I ran to Target and I wanted to share what I got with you guys. So this isn't gonna be a super long one. I have this Ulta bag. It looks a lot bigger than what's really in it. And then this Target bag. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, go ahead and stick around. All right, so I also wanted to mention I did pick up another one of the Skindinavia bridal setting sprays. I picked up the larger one this time. It's oil-free, by the way, and it is 8 fluid ounces, and then this is their normal one, which is 4 fluid ounces, so double the product, and I believe it's only $10 more. I think this one's $29 and this one is $39, and I got it when they were running a special of free shipping, and then they also sent a little primer spray and setting spray, which is awesome for travel. I bring these with, talked about it in my travel video anytime I travel, so thought I'd mention that really quickly as well, because that is good stuff, and I'm pretty sure they make Urban Decay setting spray. At least that was the buzz around like 10 years ago on YouTube, and I think they do. So anyway, let's get into Ulta first because I think most of you are probably here because of makeup. So let's quickly talk about a couple of things. So in my last video, I mentioned, I got some like free things here. I don't know what those are, but we'll see. I mentioned that I went around looking like crazy for the Lemonade palette, and in my last video I was talking about how it looked like kid makeup, but that's my bad because I was actually talking about the L'Oreal Paradise line that looked like kid makeup. They have the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted, that must be what it's called. That stuff looked like kid makeup. I did end up picking up the blush today because it was buy one get one half off and I wanted to pick up another L'Oreal product, so I picked up Just Curious, and this is what that packaging looks like that I was saying kind of looked a little kitty. I guess it doesn't look as kitty. It's kind of like a metallic rose gold, but supposedly it smells like peach, so I can't smell anything. Yeah, I cannot smell anything. It's actually very soft though, and it looks pretty. So hopefully you guys can see that on the back of my hand. It does look pretty, so we're gonna have to give this a try. It does come with a mirror on the bottom as well, which is nice, but I still couldn't get past getting the eyeshadow palette on this because there's like 3 of the shimmer shadows that just look too similar, and I just didn't think it was something that I'd go towards, but I did pick up the blush, so we'll see how this works. It does look a little shimmery, but on the back of my hand it actually looks really pretty, so we will see how that goes. And in addition to that, like I said, I wanted to get the buy one get one half off. I picked up the L'Oreal Infallible foundation stick in 410 Cocoa, and I really like the Maybelline Fit Me stick to contour with, and I thought that this would be similar. I remember seeing this marketed months ago and being excited about it as like shaping stick, that's what they call it. So I'm excited to try this. It's obviously way too dark for my skin, but that's because I'm gonna use it as like a contour bronzer stick. And I don't know, it doesn't blend out as easy as the Fit Me. You could see it's right there. That's where I blended it out, but I'm gonna have to get it on the face and play with it a little bit. So let me tell you the price of these. The shaping stick was $12.99 and the blush was $12.99 as well. They're both $12.99, so it was buy one get one half off, which is an okay deal for me. So I'm excited to try those out. So with that said, I did find the Maybelline Lemonade Craze. This is the one that I went looking for at all of the Walgreens locations and Ultas and couldn't find it. So we are gonna go ahead and give this a try. Not today because I obviously have makeup on, but if you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know below. I'll probably do it no matter what, but this is what it looks like, and this does look pretty. Like, I am excited to give this a try and see what I think of it. I am just curious. Yeah, so like the yellow isn't crazy pigmented. You could see it right there when I blended it out right here, right next to the blush. And then I also, that color is called Lemonade Craze. And then I also want to try Ice Pop. These do feel kind of dry, just swatching them, to be honest. Well, that's pretty pigmented, obviously. You could see the pink. So I'm excited to give it a try. I thought it was cool too that they had the 2 shimmer shades on the side there. That one looks pretty as well. So we will give this a try in an upcoming video as well. And then I picked up another Lash Discovery. The one I have right now is waterproof, and it is so hard to get off. I wanted to get one that was not waterproof, and this is the one that has the really, really, really teensy weensy little mini brush to get your bottom lashes, and I really appreciate that, having small hooded eyes. So I'm gonna give this a whirl, even though I know how it works already. I think I will love it. And then I picked up another Too Faced Born This Way. I have like a light medium shade. I can't remember the name of it. Let me see. I have Natural Beige, and I wanted to get a lighter color for when I'm not spray tanned, so I picked up Vanilla as well. I am obsessed with this, you guys. It's so good. I absolutely love it. Wears super well, lasts a long time, doesn't crease, beautiful coverage. It's not dry like Shape Tape was on me. I did not like Shape Tape like after the first few times of using it. It was just too dry for me, so this stuff is perfect. It has hyaluronic acid, it's hydrating, it lasts all day. I just absolutely love it. Let me give you the prices of all that stuff I just talked about as well. I usually don't give you prices, and then I always think about it when I'm editing. So the Lash Discovery was $7.99, the Lemonade Craze was $13.99, and then the Too Faced is $29. I know I have one more thing in here. Yes. I picked up the Catrice Volumizing Lip Booster. This stuff is so good. I absolutely love these, and this was super cheap, $4.99, and I've used a couple other colors, and they're just so pretty. Now, I don't know how this is gonna look over my red lips, because it's kind of more of a nutty color. I'll just swatch it on the back of my hand. It does have, it's obviously that one right there. It does have more of a like a booster feeling to it, you know, like you can feel it tingling, but it's nothing out of control. I'll go ahead and put it on. It might look goofy with my lipstick, but it's so glossy and beautiful. It actually looks really good. I have the coral color as well, which looks good on pretty much anything. Woo!
Oh no.
Mayday, mayday, I'll be right back. I still feel like you could see it a little bit, but let's just ignore that. Try not to do a red lip in a mirror that's like 5 feet away from you. It's not gonna end well, but yeah, that stuff is so good. If you can pick up those lip glosses, pick them up. It's totally worth it, and they're so affordable. And then the last thing I picked up is the Matrix Total Results So Silver. I've been using this for years. I really like it. Purple shampoo. I obviously use purple shampoo because I have pretty blonde hair. Purple shampoo does dry out your hair, so just make sure you use like a moisturizing conditioner. I would rather sacrifice not having brassy tones and using a moisturizing conditioner than having brassy tones. So Ulta is doing their jumbo sales, so I think it's like twice a year they put their jumbo size shampoos on sale. So this was $14.99, and I think it's normally 25, so that's like 10 bucks off, obviously, and I use the hell out of this stuff. So I only wash my hair like once a week though, especially with purple shampoo. I think you should only do it about once a week, but I just wash my hair once a week, and it works out great for me. So that is everything from Ulta. So let's move on to Target. Now, this isn't like gonna be a crazy, like I said, crazy haul or anything like that. I just had to pick up some medicine from Target, and I made my way around and I found some things. So I picked up first some organic cotton balls because we all need cotton balls, and I really needed to clean out George's ears. I have a French bulldog and I have to clean his ears out at least once a week, and I thought organic would be a good way to go. Those are about $5, so a little more expensive, but organic is always good, especially when it's getting like inside our bodies, you know what I mean? Like inside the ears and stuff like that. So I always try to choose organic if I can. And then I picked up some premium cotton pads as well. I like these to take off my nail polish. Just works a little bit better than normal cotton because I hate it when like little cotton pieces get stuck in my nails. It really irritates me. And there's only a few more things here, but I'm excited about them. So first thing is this Powerline shirt. This I found in the men's department. The men's department at Ulta has the best clothes. So I don't know if you guys saw a Goofy movie when you were younger, but I loved that movie so much, and I loved Powerline. The song that they sing is the best. It gets stuck in my head all the time. So it looks like a tour shirt. It has like tour locations on the back, which is awesome. I always get a men's size medium from Target because I just like it to be a little, you know, not a little, like a lot baggy. I have a couple smalls and they're just like not as baggy as I'd like them to be, so I picked that one up and I'm really excited about it. I have one from Toy Story, and whenever I go anywhere, somebody always comments on it and they're like, oh my god, I love your shirt. So I'm curious to know if people will actually know what that one is, because that movie is pretty dang old. So that was $12.99, and then I also picked up another one, just a Guns N' Roses shirt, and it's the same kind of concept, just oversized and comfortable. So I really like these shirts. I like just, you know, basic graphic black tees because I prefer to be comfortable like 99% of the time, hence this sports bra on. Like I am just somebody who wants to be comfortable most of the time. So love those shirts. They're both $12.99. Pretty much all of their graphic tees are $12.99. Check out the men's department if you can. It's way better than the women's. Way, way better than the women's. And then the last thing from Target on the opposite spectrum are these little wedges. I haven't worn wedges in years, and they're like a different type of wedge, I guess. Like I didn't expect I would like a wedge like this that was like a peep toe, but I put it on my foot and I have fat feet. My feet are like Flintstone feet. If you can picture Fred Flintstone, that's literally what my feet look like. And I have like these short little stumpy fingers. My feet are the exact same, but they fit in these and they are really, really comfortable. And I just think this will be so cute with little dresses or even jeans on like a girl's night out or something like that. And the heel isn't crazy tall or anything like that. And they were only $32.99. And the non-wide, this is a 6.5, not wide, fit me. So I'm so excited. They also come in black as well. I'm thinking I might order them online in black because I really like these. And like I said, $32.99, cannot beat that. So yeah, that is it, you guys. That's gonna be like probably the quickest video I've ever done for the most part on here. I know I talk a lot. I probably will end up being like 12 to 15 minutes, but I just thought I'd share with you guys some of the stuff I picked up, makeup and little odds and ends here. So I hope this video was helpful for some of you. If you guys have any questions, as always, please leave them below. Otherwise, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It means the world to me, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.